The Hero GNG 125, also known as the Hero Glamour 125 in certain markets, is a popular choice among commuters seeking a blend of style, efficiency, and performance. This motorcycle stands out in the 125cc segment, offering features that cater to daily commuting needs while ensuring a comfortable riding experience. Design and build quality. The Hero GNG 125 showcases a modern and attractive design, characterized by sharp lines and sleek body panels. Its vibrant color options and sporty graphics appeal to both young riders and seasoned commuters. The robust build quality, using high-quality materials, ensures durability and reliability for daily use. Engine and performance. Equipped with a 124.7cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, the GNG 125 delivers approximately 10.7 bhp and 10.6 Nm of torque. This engine is engineered for efficiency and smooth performance, making it suitable for city commuting and occasional longer rides. The inclusion of Hero's i3S idle stop-start system technology enhances fuel efficiency by automatically shutting off the engine during idling and restarting it when needed. Fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of the GNG 125 is its impressive fuel efficiency. Riders can expect to achieve around 60-65 km/h, depending on riding conditions and habits, making it a cost-effective option for daily commuting. Comfort and handling. The motorcycle offers a smooth and comfortable ride, thanks to its well-tuned suspension setup comprising telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable seating position, reducing fatigue during longer rides. The bike's handling is nimble and responsive, making it easy to navigate through city traffic. Features and technology. The GNG 125 comes equipped with several advanced features to enhance the riding experience. Digital analog instrument cluster displays essential information such as speed, fuel level, and trip meter. LED headlamp provides better illumination and a modern look. i3S technology enhances fuel efficiency by automatically stopping and starting the engine. USB charging port conveniently located for charging mobile devices on the go. Braking and safety. For braking, the GNG 125 is equipped with drum brakes on both wheels with an option for a disc brake at the front in some variants. The inclusion of Hero's integrated braking system (IBS) enhances safety by distributing braking force more effectively between the front and rear wheels, reducing stopping distances and improving control under braking. Pros and cons. Pros. Fuel efficiency, outstanding mileage perfect for daily commuting. Reliability, Hero's reputation for durable and dependable bikes. Comfort, comfortable seating and ergonomic design. Modern features, equipped with essential modern features. Affordable, competitive pricing and low maintenance costs. Cons. Performance, may not be suitable for high-speed highway riding. Basic design, some riders may find the design too conservative compared to sportier options. Limited advanced features, lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-end models. User reviews. User experiences with the GNG 125 vary. Positive feedback, many riders appreciate the bike's comfort, smooth engine performance, and good mileage. One user mentioned, the bike is comfortable and engine refinement is so smooth and the mileage is so good. Negative feedback, some users have reported issues such as back pain on long rides, gear problems, vibrations at higher speeds, and lower than expected mileage. A reviewer noted, very bad bike compared to BS3 bike. Too many problems. Conclusion. The Hero GNG 125 is a well-rounded commuter motorcycle that excels in fuel efficiency, comfort, and reliability. Its modern design and features make it an appealing choice for daily commuters looking for an economical and dependable ride. While it may not be the most powerful bike in its segment, it offers excellent value for money and continues to uphold Hero's legacy of producing quality motorcycles.